Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Commission Hero and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Are you interested in learning affiliate marketing from the beginning? Do you want to know how to make millions of dollars through affiliate marketing? Do you wish to recognize new strategies to boost your affiliate marketing revenue? If yes, then the Commission Hero product is for you. Most people might not know about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is such a fantastic way of making money that you can generate millions of dollars via if you know the correct way. Many people are doing affiliate marketing, and they are generating huge revenge by staying at their home. Now you might be questioning how beginners can start their affiliate marketing journey. Should they start some offline training? Well, the answer is Commission Hero product. This product can help you to become a professional marketer within a few days. But what is the Commission Hero? In this Commission Hero review, you will know everything about it. What is the Commission Hero? This program will teach you how to make money online. You will learn the art of generating cash using affiliate marketing. The program uses ClickBank products. It will show you how to promote ClickBank products and produce revenue. Its prime goal is to make you capable of generating thousands of dollars in a single day. The best part is that you don't need to go anywhere for that. Even at the comfort of your home, you can achieve it. You will additionally get a landing page with this product. The product also includes free training where you will recognize many new things about ClickBank and affiliate marketing. You will get secrets and strategies that many top affiliate marketers are using. Further, it will show you how to use Facebook to make money. You don't need to own a product or a website or an email list to make money using this product. You only have to spend a few hours each day to achieve the financial targets via the program. However, the program guarantees that you are going to reach the 6 figures mark within a month. Also, it does not demand any prior knowledge. About Robby Blanchard, the creator. Robby Blanchard is the creator of this product. If you have even been into the marketing field, then you might be familiar with this name. Robby is the top affiliate marketer on ClickBank. Robby Blanchard is also the CEO of Blanchard Media. He has generated millions of dollars by using the affiliate marketing model. After gaining success through ClickBank, Robby Blanchard decided to help others to make money using the same method, which he has followed. After following the program by Robby Blanchard, you will be capable of making thousands of dollars per day. How does the Commission Hero work? The program uses an affiliate marketing model to help you earn money. You will have to find an offer that can help you generate more cash. After choosing that offer, you need to know the art of promoting it. The program will assist you in identifying how to generate traffic and get more sales through it. Each sale from your generated link will help you to earn money. The amount of money that you are going to produce from each sale will depend on the type of product or offer that you are promoting. Top secrets in Commission Hero. In the free webinar presented in the product, you will find out 3 top secrets that might help you to achieve financial life forever. Highest paying offer. Here you are going to learn how to find the highest paying offers. You will discover how to make the most money through those offers. Further, you are additionally going to learn to promote those offers to get more revenue in a short time. You will further comprehend the art of using Facebook to get a big commission. It will show you tricks on how to run ads using a Facebook account. However, the program ensures that your account does not get banned from Facebook during the advertisement. 3-step system. In the 3-step system trick, you will recognize how to force people to purchase your offers. It will show you the human psychology and how you can use it to secure huge payments. What comes with Commission Hero? Landing page. You require to compose a landing page to promote a product, due to which this program will show you the method of creating a landing page. Don't worry, the landing page creation process is going to be simple and easy. Webinars. Once you purchase this commission program, you will get access to both free as well as paid webinars. Via the webinars, you will learn everything about the program. Run ads. The program has a section teaching the art of using social media platforms to run ads. You will necessitate investing a few dollars on ads, but you will earn big commissions through it. It will give you ad account training. The program mostly uses Facebook to promote offers. Choose offer. You need to choose the correct offer that maximum people are interested in buying. This program will tell you how to pick the correct offer so that you can get more revenue through it. Drive traffic. Most people find it hard to drive traffic on the landing page. Lack of traffic does not help them to generate sales. However, through this product, you will learn the technique of driving more traffic to the landing page in a short time. Benefits of using Commission Hero. Earn money. One prime reason to try this commission program is that it will make you capable of earning money. Financial freedom. You are going to achieve financial freedom via this commission program. It will support you in generating millions of dollars if you try it correctly. Easy to follow. The Commission Hero program is easy to follow for every individual. It does not need you to have any knowledge about affiliate marketing or other relevant stuff. Frequently asked questions. How much does the Commission Hero cost? The price of this commission program is quite high. You need to pay $997 to buy this program. Is Commission Hero beginner-friendly? Yes, this program is beginner-friendly. It does not require any affiliate marketing knowledge. No matter whether you are new or professional, you can try this program. What if the Commission Hero does not work? The Commission Hero has a 60-day money-back policy, so if it does not work for you, then you can apply for a refund. Pros. You will get access to live training support and a Facebook group for additional help. It will show you an easy way of making an eye-catching landing page. The program will support you in reaching a six-figure target in a short time. It will teach you the art of making money with ease. You will learn the top 3 secrets of making money. The program does not demand any prior experience. Cons. You may require investment for the method given in it. Its price is high. Conclusion. Commission Hero is recommended to all those people who want to earn thousands of bucks in a single day. This program will help you in achieving financial freedom if you follow it correctly. It is going to teach you the process of building an attractive landing page. You will find a secret of using Facebook to promote your offer. Commission Hero will further guide you about the email campaign. The program will show you the platform from where you can get high-paying offers, products, and services that can help you earn millions. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Commission Hero today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.